In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to edit text on website with inspect element and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here into the Google Chrome. Now from here in the Google Chrome, what you need to do is you have to search for a website that you wanted to get into. So I'll go to this particular website over here. I'll demonstrating with an example. So this is a random website that I choose, and from here what you need to do is in order to get into the inspect element, we have to go over here and right click anywhere over here like this. Now there is an option called inspect in which you have to click on this. When you click on this, as you can see, a new kind of things will be popping up like this. Now the first thing what you need to do is you have to go over here at the top, click on this arrow icon over here like this. So this is where you have to select everything. Once you select this, you have to go over here, find the part which you wanted to edit. So here, as you can see, this is the part which I wanted to edit, so I have to double click on this. So when you click on this, as you can see over here, you can see it has been highlighted. So as you can see, this is written explore, wander, discover your passport to endless adventure. So if we go over here, you can see this exactly the same is written here, that is explore, wander, discover your passport to endless adventure. So what I do is over here, this is what it is written. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just going to add something here in between. So I'll just type here something randomly here like this. I'll just type it randomly like this. Once you type it, you just need to go over here and you have to just click on this. And now as you can see, this changes what I made is being added here. It's called explore. And I have randomly written HSJJJJ, something is written, and this is how we can edit using the inspect element. And also keep in mind, this is only visible for you, not to the others. You can only see this, but to the others, it will be just like the usual way how the website is. You can't make any kind of changes. This is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.